Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Badger Solutions YouTube channel. If you're yet to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription alert to me. In this video, we are going to complete the challenge of Tour the Data Mapper Designer. So the Data Mapper Designer is a declarative development tool that we can use without coding knowledge. So to get the designer from the app launcher and select Data Mapper, alternatively we can find select Omnistudio app launcher also. Then select data mapper from the navigation menu. On this list view, select an existing data model wrapper or create a new one to go to the designer. So you use the data mapper designer to create all four types of data mappers: turbo, extract, transform, or the load. So we can learn about all four types of data mappers and what they each do in the next units. We focus on a sample data mapper extract in this unit, and we can tour the designer. So when we open a data mapper, so this is how it looks like. So we'll go what is the 1 2 3 in that below. So one is that shows the data mapper name on the version, and that second is includes option to manage data mapper settings, edit and view data input and output. So and configure cache and security. This also where you can clone the data mapper or enter the preview mode. So the tab bar 3 is where we can switch between the tabs to configure your data mappers. What tabs appear in the bar depends on the type of the data mapper we are building. The screenshot here shows extract, formula and the mapping, because of data mapper is a data mapper extract type. So the canvas 4 is where we built your data mapper. The screenshot shows an extract tab configured to get the data from an account record where the record ID matches a variable passed to the data mapper. The extract tab is where so we can define the Salesforce objects we want to extract data from. Label the extracted data JSON for use in the data mapper and filter which data to return. So in this example, data is extracted only from the account object. The extract object path field is where you label the data you see in formula and mappings in the data mapper. So in this example, the extracted data is labeled customer. So we can retrieve fields using that path, such as customer name copy. To return the value in the account's name field. The formula tab. So the formula tab is where we optionally manipulate data values to the fields retrieved in the extract tab. Each result is stored in a key value pair where the formula result path defines and the key and the formula defines the values. So we can reuse these results in other formulas or mappings with the data mappers. The mapping tab. So the mapping tab is where we can connect the data you have extracted and prepared the both extract and the formula tabs. The preview tool. To check the data mappers data, select preview tool. In preview mode, we can enter specific input parameter to simulate the data mapper output. Here's an example. So this is one example how we can pass the parameters, that this is that output query and this is that response, and once we enter that parameters, we need to click on execute button. So this is what they explain. This is overall syntaxes. So here we have a quiz session. Let's go and check in which feature of the data mapper designer can you enter an input value to simulate the data mapper's output, that is preview. What does the mapping tab do in a data mapper extract? So it connects data from Salesforce record, data map and data mapper formula and a structured data output. So let's verify the challenge. Yeah, we successfully completed the challenge. So we'll meet you with another video. Thanks for watching. Please like, do, share and subscribe.